Hello, valued customers and partners. As the Chinese Spring Festival approaches, we express our gratitude for your continued trust and support. At Heraldtech, the quality of the product is at our core. We're excited to share some fantastic news with you. Our lithium batteries, the lifeblood of many industries, are now available at unprecedented prices. Limited time to seize the opportunity. Gear and sales. Come and consult us. At Heraldtech, quality is our commitment. Take advantage of this offer, backed by our extended warranty on all purchases. Visit our website heraldtech.com and inform customer service of the promotion code XC to unlock special discounts for bulk purchases. Act quickly as supply is limited. Thank you for choosing Heraldtech. We look forward to powering your success in the coming year. Here's to innovation, partnership, and a bright future together. Heraldtech, powering tomorrow, today.